Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that might be frustrating your kitchen routine. The Kitchenaid Dishwasher Error Code 626 for 2025 models. If your dishwasher is flashing this code, don't panic. It's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. I'm here to walk you through it all in a clear and straightforward way. First off, let's break down what Error Code 626 means. In Kitchenaid dishwashers, this code typically indicates a problem with the water inlet or drainage system. It could be as simple as a clog or something more involved like a faulty sensor. This error is more common in 2025 models due to updated electronics, but the fixes are pretty universal. So, why does this happen? Common causes include a blocked drain hose, a dirty filter, low water pressure, or even a kinked water supply line. If you've been using your dishwasher a lot, buildup from food particles or hard water minerals might be the culprit. The good news is, most of these are easy to address at home. Let's get into the troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Unplug your dishwasher and turn off the water supply for safety. Then, check the filter at the bottom of the unit, remove it, clean it thoroughly, and put it back. Step 2. Inspect the drain hose for any bends or blockages. Straighten it out if needed. Step 3. Verify your home's water pressure. If it's low, you might need to contact a plumber. If these don't work, reset the dishwasher by pressing the cancel button for about 10 seconds or power cycling it. If the error persists, it could point to a more serious issue like a defective pump or control board, and that's when you should call a professional technician. Always prioritize safety. Wear gloves and avoid electrical components if you're not comfortable. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to clear up Error Code 626 and get your Kitchenaid dishwasher running smoothly again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.